time of 9:40 to check out Web Slingers. So let's go check out Avengers campus. Campus and check it out. We got the Avengers up here. They come out for different showings and different things like that. And look what we have right now.
Great things one day.
Awesome. Turn around. Take a picture. Show her you're strong. Oh, let's see it. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so they're going to be doing some sort of Avenger show. Avengers! They're going to be doing a show. The Avengers. Oh, Captain Marvel's up there. So
Move along.
System offline. Assets at risk.
Let's go.
I don't need help!
Mr. Peter Parker. We're going in.
We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter. It might be called the Experiment, but it is a hard cider. It's got some boba there at the bottom. Nice and fizzy. It's a really hot day, so cheers. Apparently I don't know where my mouth's at. That's good. Pretty good. I like it. Pretty good. All right, I already had my nice, refreshing beverage. It is a hot day. We're gonna check out web suppliers and see what we can get. Wow. So these are the spider bots you can get. We just went on the web web slingers. So these are supposed to be the spider bots with the web slingers. You can also get this really cool backpack where you can keep your little spider bot in. I thought that was pretty neat. Let's see what else they have. So this is an Iron Man like exoskeleton you can get, and look, there's all different kinds that you can update your little spider bot and customize them. This one's cool. This one's Wasp. I think this one might be the coolest one. Whoa! Look at it. So up here, this is the kind of stuff I was looking for. This is a web shooter. Whoa! Let's see. It doesn't even say how much it is. That's how. It's $70. Never say never. So these are the web slingers, like the primo guys. These are like the $70 ones. And those goggles. I've seen people with those goggles and I'm pretty sure that I need to get them right now. Okay, we get to take off the lenses. Whoop. Oh, it might have a scratch on it.
Mine does too.
Alright, so these are the Spiderman goggles. These are the Spiderman goggles. We just picked them up at Web Supplier and they light up. They're also kind of like sunglasses, but I don't think you really
like
want
the kind that are hard to see.
Yeah, very cool. We look cool.
You go like this. Yeah. All the way up, hand in here.
Okay, pull it. Whoa, Spider-Man. So I heard some awesome things about the shawarma. We're gonna go ahead and check it out over here. But I have my eyes on the prize. I'm gonna get one of those Iron Man gloves with all of the Infinity Stones on it. I've been looking forward to this day for quite some time. That is too cool. Yes! That's awesome. Oh, does it light up? Oh. The only way I will drink water from here on out. It's kind of difficult though. So we went to shawarma. I wanted to try the famous shawarma. I got the Impossible, and there's Impossible and chicken. It's also where I got my Avengers gauntlet. I got some tzatziki, and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see how we like it. I didn't get anything yet. This one is an Impossible falafel. It looks like it also has some hummus in there. So I've already eaten a lot of it, but I haven't gotten a falafel yet, so let's try it. And this is a vegetarian option. Good. Can you do it? Woo! This is... Oh my god! What? I'm a Spider-Man! Go, let's go! Look at that! Wow! Guardian! I've not been here since this was Tower of Terror, so now it's Guardians of the Galaxy, and I cannot wait because I love Guardians of the Galaxy. Probably my favorite superhero movie, and it is a superhero movie. And we're gonna go on it today.
Featuring over 1 billion unique
service. You need to scan your biosigns.
Oh, you're blinking now. Yours is like a...
My friend, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up, he's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. It's a foolproof plan!
Oh, so he can ride. Okay.
Terran Treats, and we're gonna try some delicious treats down here at Avengers campus, so let's see what we can get into. So it looks like they have a sweet spiral ration and a cosmic cream orb, and I think we should try both. This one is cold, and this one is hot, so actually I'd like to show it in the sun, because this one actually sparkles. It's got a little bit of sparkle to it. Ration, which is a pineapple churro. First. Well, let's see inside.
That's weird.
That's weird. All right, here we go.
I told you. It's hard.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like
It's raspberry.
lemon. Is it lemon?
Lemon raspberry is what it tastes like, but it's raspberry.
Raspberry cheesecake. Okay. To me, it tasted like lemon, but raspberry cheesecake makes sense. There's some chocolate at the bottom there. It's purple on the inside.
Purple, I think. I need more purple.
I need more purple. It needs more purple. That's good. I like it. It was just weird. It was a weird first bite. Good.
Oh, wow. I just taste like a churro.
Tastes like a churro. Let's try it. These are some weird desserts. It tastes just like that.
Yeah.
Tastes like a pineapple churro, not gonna lie. It's pretty good. I hope you guys had so much fun at Avengers Campus with me today. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. My name is Kayla Freitas with Travel Mom Wars, and we're headed to the rest of the park next, so be sure to stick around.